good to be. I want to know that some people our car really plenty. Our dog died, so it's been really crazy for us, maybe Calabar people, to really look at the burial of the dog. And we are here to support. There's not going to say, no, there's not going to go way back, like way back. I remember 2010. There's not going to carry me to months. My parents said they go any event because our house, they have the children to respect me. Mama born 2 twins. So they named 2 of them. Kende, Taiwo. So then when they call Kende, 2 Kende will come. When they call Taiwo, 2 Taiwo will come. So they call change them. They call me Papa. Or they call my twin sister Mama. So it didn't really have for children to respect us. I go feel they call you Brother Papa. Or Auntie Mama. It don't really make sense. So my father tell us go events. So now for example prayer. And the time my papa say I dey go show for night. I will be select for our house. So my papa say, Kende, my draft I will just start. Jehovah. Apache. Jesus Christ. Michael Bimo. Olúwa àwọn kan lọ sùn, àwọn jáde. Bí àwọn ṣe ń lọ, Olúwa kò ṣọ́ wa lọ, kò ṣọ́ wa bọ̀. Àwọn ọkọ̀ òní fẹ́ jẹ́ ká jáde jẹ́ kó sùn ní wákàtí ọ̀gbẹ́. Kọ́jú nígbà tí a bá dé. Kọ́dẹ̀ máa ń gbà wá Jésù Olúwa wa. Bàbá mi kọ́ reply orí ọ̀fẹ́ tí bàbá tí ọmọ tí ẹ̀ mú kó gbàlẹ́ àdúrà wa. Olúwa pé gbogbo wa ṣe ń lọ sùn, èyí tó bá ti gbé jáde wa kó jáde. Ọmọ àlè tó bá ti gbé jáde wa kó jáde. Wọ́n ti jáde kó máa wọlé mọ́ Jésù Olúwa wa. Wọ́n ti jáde. Ó dé àwọn wọ́n ní olùmọ́ ní wọ́n ti cancel ẹ̀. Now I step up to the point that they say, when rich people they call me for events, I want people they call me for events. It's different. I don't forget when that they call me, oh, go to the event and go there. What's it like now? Hello. I said, hello, who is this? Don't shout at me. I said, good evening, sir. He said, this Kenny Black. I said, yes, sir. Don't shout it. How much do you charge for weddings? I said, for weddings, I do for 5 million, 7 million. He said, that's quite on the high side. Can you do for 4 million? I said, with 3 million, I will start small church for first 100 guests. He said, no problem. When I go to the wedding, I give the lesson. Any comment that we're there, if you see Yinka for event, do your thing first though. Once that man home back, 3 days. And the man, what the Lord is spend money, in religion they change. He will just start, I get friendly people, and then what's that though? Abareo, get better, get what you oh, then you know, Makuikan, you take you know, Makuikan, Allah, you know, Makuikan, Mama, you know, Makuikan, and you bet on you know, Makuikan. Come to spread tell us now, Pastor E. Anyway, Jehovah, you are the most high. I give hello, you are the most high. Come to spread pause, but I can't go down to say, oh, Mama, fast and out to run shell, oh, Mama, fast and out. This man sing for 30 hours, they spray me just like 5 million, the man sing, don't worry, that's okay. 12 people. Mama comes from another state. Later, I said, who is this? Is that Kenny Blake? I said, it's Kenny Black. He says the same thing. Is that Kenny Blake? How much do you charge to MC wedding? I said, 5 million. He said, are you paying for the hall? Will you cook and come? I said, it's 5 million. I said, don't worry, we'll do it by ourselves. When president called me, President Muhammadu Buhari, he first flash me first, I call him. When I could pick the call, and the voice of the VP I hear, I said, hello. I said, who is this? He said, this is the VP. I said, which school? He said, this is Vice President. He said, no, I said, your Excellency. He said, no, Excellency me. I've been calling you for 4 days now. Where? I said, we are where, sir? And we know what you hear. He said, the President wants to speak to you. I said, okay, man. He said, no. President Muhammadu Buhari, when I will hear Buhari voice, and the sexiest voice I've ever heard for my life. What I hear now is Ayo. I want to give you hair. I said, who is this? He said, Muhammadu Buhari. I'm calling you for Ayo. Hey, you don't know when you put your hair. Anyway, that is not true. I just put your note here. How much do you charge to MC a wedding? Because of the president, I just lie. I say I do for 30 billion. Now you reply me. How much is the country? What you do for? African China. I see you. Yeah, 96 now we correct. The person was saying, chop my money, I don't care. Now he's still reason with me. If I don't get today, this country no easy. You know, this music live. Me and Kiss Daniel get problem. Me I come event with one fine girl. Kiss Daniel come dey tell the girl, no be you I carry go. Ona you I go carry go. Fiti I carry go. Yeah. But any girl Kiss Daniel say no. They said you have a girlfriend. Like Kiss Daniel say me. Baby me go job. The girl say, Kiss Daniel, don't worry, I'll talk to you later. Then the guy Kiss Daniel people, talk to me, oh mama, free you. Call on me, so I leave them. If you let the girl phone number come, ask the girl, say he go come see her on Monday. When Kiss Daniel go the girl house, you know say they give a man like Sholomo. As he go reach Sholomo house, as he there, Sholomo say, I'm looking for your daughter. And Sholomo carry him, I want, go there. He carry him at 2, go there. They carry him at 3, go there. Like Kiss Daniel look, we see, this time we are no one trouble. One man food, another man poison. Money no day today, money no day tomorrow. Feel good, it's a happy day. Kiss Daniel come back, come meet me. Say, Kenny Black, I'm sorry I took your babe. I said, don't worry. What have you learned from this story? Like Kiss Daniel look, no go, they do pass yourself. This one, not in this was this shout, Jao. Baby, they don't break his right leg. Now I don't say Kiss Daniel don't get problem. Where's that time coming? He said, Kenny Black, wow. So who born you? Kiss Daniel, joke, let's go. Ha! You don't say you don't know. Make I tell you the artist name who blow Kiss Daniel. Kiss Daniel, Papa. Kiss Daniel. Put on a Kiss Daniel, Nana. Kiss Daniel. Hey, okay, Kiss Daniel. Ha! See, why I don't say nobody feel. And where's that time coming? He said, Kenny Black, nobody can copy my song. I said, don't try to do people. He said, I don't want to see Kapai money to buy. I don't want to see Ahi. I said, forget to. I don't go about the one guy say, Brethren, I have a song. It's called Kapai. I said, by who? He says, Yelanti. I said, when he's singing, I wait again now. Kapai money to buy. Kapai money to buy. Kapai money to buy. To buy go all the way. Kapai money to buy. Kapai money to buy. Kapai money to buy go all the way. Verse 1. My children kapai, my business is very. Everywhere I go, my children to buy go. Any man or woman that don't want to do zangu. Before the end of the day, I command them to bless. Kapai money to buy. Very annoying. But when the music industry they go now, see American artists. They feature the whiskey for brown skin girl. Very few artists in the feature people. Look at very soon, Craig David go come Nigeria come feature Lukesh. It will make sense. Yeah. On Monday, take a drink on Tuesday. We're making love on Wednesday, and on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, we chill on Sunday. Ladies get on Monday, take a drink on. We're making love on Wednesday, and on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Lukesh, then go Lukesh. I got a chicken from the downtown side. She did tell me up and I want you right here. On Monday, skibo. On Tuesday, kilo shall go. We're making love by Wednesday.